Nissan's decline arises from years of subpar management and a lack of innovation, leading to diminished competitiveness against rivals such as Toyota and Honda. This stagnation has significantly eroded customer trust. In response, dealerships are implementing drastic price cuts to clear unsold inventory, offering historically significant discounts to consumers. However, prospective buyers must weigh the risks attached to such purchases. Quality concerns, especially regarding Nissan's continuously variable transmissions, have frustrated many consumers, undermining the brand's once stable reputation for reliability. Consequently, this situation has exacerbated the company's ongoing crisis. The arrest of Carlos Ghosn in 2018 marked a pivotal moment for Nissan, unveiling internal instability and creating a leadership void that impacted the company's strategic direction. This scenario resulted in chaotic strategies and financial uncertainty. Nissan's heavy reliance on fleet sales has adversely affected long-term profitability, fostering a perception that its vehicles are inexpensive and disposable. This approach has directly contributed to the erosion of its customer base. While competitors like Toyota and Hyundai have advanced with innovative technologies and strong market positions, Nissan has struggled to carve out its identity and keep up with industry trends. This failure to innovate has deepened its financial challenges. Nissan's popular models, such as the Altima and Rogue, are now experiencing steep price cuts, attracting bargain hunters with reductions nearing 50%. However, these vehicles are increasingly seen as outdated despite their high demand. Some Nissan models offer exceptional deals, while others, like the Pathfinder, present reliability concerns that may deter potential buyers. It's essential for consumers to discern which models are genuinely worth their investment. Warranty issues and declining resale values pose significant risks for buyers. In the event of Nissan's bankruptcy, existing warranties could become void, potentially costing owners thousands in repairs. Nissan's initial success with a Leaf highlighted the potential of electric vehicles. However, the company failed to sustain this innovative momentum against competitors like Tesla and Ford, which has impacted its market position. Furthermore, Nissan's hesitance to fully embrace hybrid technology has hindered its appeal in a broader market, allowing competitors to capitalize on the growing demand for hybrid vehicles. The financial instability facing Nissan is triggering dealership closures and layoffs, resulting in a ripple effect that jeopardizes its overall market presence and erodes brand trust. The decline of Nissan's dealership network raises alarms, complicating repair processes and parts availability, thereby further impacting customer trust. This situation worsens amid a tightening supply chain. Nissan's difficulties extend beyond the US, affecting Japan's automobile reputation and raising concerns among investors regarding the stability of other Japanese manufacturers, like Toyota and Honda. In Europe and China, Nissan is losing market share and facing stiff competition from local brands, prompting questions about its future viability in these critical markets. One benefit of leasing is that most agreements span 3 to 4 years, ensuring your vehicle remains under warranty throughout the lease term. This arrangement can protect you from unexpected repair costs. Should Nissan rebound, buyers may have the option to purchase their leased vehicles at a reduced price when the lease concludes, presenting an opportunity for further savings. Nissan is cutting production, which could lead to a decrease in available cars in the future, making current discounts potentially rare. This trend may result in price stabilization or even increases.